G'day folks, Chris Nitzo OCC. Just giving you a look at the complications associated with the low pressure system off the coast of Darwin. Now obviously if you're in the Northern Territory you should be watching this nice and closely over the next couple of days. However, at the moment what's stopping the system from pulling itself together is the fact that it's actually got two circulation centres. You can see it rotating here with all this cloud and mass of rain, and then you can also see another little circulation just below this cloud cover, just underneath here. You can see this little cloud here just spinning away further eastward. Now, what's happening here is that we've got two circulations in different levels of the atmosphere, and let me overlay some wind charts to show that up for you. Right, so if I show you the surface wind chart, you can see that our low pressure circulation is pushing down towards the southeast this afternoon, and that's where the centre of circulation is. So that's where all this rotating cloud at the lower levels, or the surface levels, is occurring. Now you can see that that's expected to shift south to southeast over the next 24 hours. The expectation from the upper level pattern though is a little bit different. So let's have a look with this second circulation out here to the west. This is our mid-level or upper level circulation. And what we can see here is that the centre of circulation of the system is located way out west. Now when we track tropical lows and tropical cyclones, we track their surface circulation. We don't track their mid-level circulation. But when we look at which circulation actually produces all the weather, it's actually the mid-level circulation that produces a lot of our rain and storms, and our surface level circulation doesn't really produce much except for wind. So all the wind tends to hang around our surface circulation, and all the rain and storms hangs around our mid-level circulation. So if you're under the mid-level circulation, you're getting a ton of rain and storms. If you're under the surface circulation, you're just getting a bit of wind with not much rain at all. When we have a system that has a mid-level circulation approximately, what is that, about 200 odd kilometres, 200 to 300 kilometres away from its surface circulation, it's not a healthy low, and it's going to take that low a long time to intensify. It needs to have both circulation centres above each other, or what we call vertically stacked. So that's a reason why this system is unlikely to intensify quickly overnight tonight. But it is still something that we need to watch, because eventually the low level and the upper level circulation are going to come together at some point tomorrow, and when that does happen, the system does have an opportunity to intensify. And you can see by tomorrow afternoon, 3:30 p.m. tomorrow, you can see that our low-level circulation is located around about 130 kilometres away from our mid-level circulation. So they're starting to get a little closer together, these two different two circulations. And when they stack on top of each other, which won't happen until Thursday night or Friday morning, there's an opportunity there for some sharper intensification just as the system's about to hit the coast. We're expecting it to hit the coast around about Wadair, Port Keats, out towards Columbaroo, somewhere around the border here between the NT and WA. And we're expecting that on Friday. So that's why we see two areas of rotation on the satellite imagery, one over here and one over here. If you found that little tidbit interesting, don't forget we've got a subscription service at join.ozcyclonechasers.com.au which outlines all of those things as systems develop, and we go into the nitty-gritty details of why things are expected to happen and why they might not be expected to happen. So head over to join.ozcyclonechasers.com.au if you're interested. Have a good day. Thanks for watching this video.